After a long time of no Xdobo speakers, it's time now for this one. So I had a previous model of this, so this is still the Prince model, but this is a new one, also with like now a newer number. So they have changed a few things. For example, the design has changed a bit, and also the carrying strap has been improved a bit. You have of course still manual, and then we have the speaker already. It's also a bit smaller now, so the other one, the old one, was a lot bigger. But honestly, the audio wasn't that great, so I do hope they have improved the audio with this one. So you also have, I hope, a cable. Yeah, of course. So Xdobo speakers have been a bit of a mixed bag experience. I've seen some Xdobo speakers do fine, and some others doing pretty terrible. And this also has to do with that Xdobo is releasing speakers that also other brands are using. So it's actually a mass production company behind all those brands, and Xdobo is also one of them. But the Prince speaker, so this one, is pretty much their own kind of design. So yeah, let's power it on. They do use the ABL boot up sound a bit, so yeah, keep that in mind. So on the rear you have like the flap with the USB port. No auxiliary port sadly, but it does have an SD card slot. So if you want an SD card in it, it's possible. So pair it up now with my phone to see how it's working. And I can already say it's wiggling a bit because its feet is not really a feet. But yeah, it's all about audio in this video, so let's get straight into it.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? I still love you, oh, I still want you, I still need you, yeah, I still love you, I still want you, I need you.
comparison to the old prints, this one definitely sounds a lot better. The treble is clear, but still on the edge of not distorting. And the mids are pretty good actually. I do think that the deep bass claim on the packaging is a bit misleading because it doesn't really have deep bass. It does have better bass than the previous model, so the second generation is definitely performing a lot better. And a great thing also included is that the build quality is also a bit better. It's just sad that the feet is so wiggling. So yeah, if you don't are careful or have a steady hand, it can sometimes be a bit of a tricky thing. But yeah, overall, I do think that Xdobo did do a pretty fine job with this second generation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one. I will also do some comparisons for sure.